Looking to sell your car fast? This is Claire. As you can see, she's really busy. DIYinspect puts you in the driver's seat when selling your car. Download DIYinspect to get started. The inspection app that's here for a good time, not a long time. Enter your Rojo and VIN. We've got the rest. Now it's time for the photo shoot, where we're the director and you're an iPhone photographer. It's 2021. We know you know your angles. Next, you can let us know if there's any damage or brag about all the cool modifications you've made to your car. Then press submit. Sound easy? That's because it is. Ding ding! Yep, that's right, a guaranteed offer price straight to you wherever you are within 24 hours. Like what you see? Accept the offer we've sent. Now for the boring stuff. We've got to ask you for some documents so you can hand over the car. We know, boring, but our legal department makes us do it. We'll pick up the car for free if you live within 30 kilometres of a Pickles branch, or you can drop it off. Once we receive the car, you'll be paid within 4 days, but usually faster. Don't spend it all at once.